Hello guys, this is Alpesh Shrimali here and I am student of Titanium and two courses have been completed by me here at Titanium. And in this last 1 year, what did I do? How did I lead to remarkable changes with my speaking skills? And what were the things that I applied in my day-to-day life which resulted in phenomenal speaking skills? So here in this video, I'm going to share with you my journey of uphill and downhill journey of 1 year, that how did I born up on my speaking skills and how did I improve, how did I excel my speaking skills. So also I would like to let you know that you can also do these things that will help you a lot to excel your speaking skills to the great extent. So first thing, the problem, at my primitive stage, I used to make the most amount of chaos. I fumble a lot when I started speaking in English language with anybody. I used to make the most amount of chaos. I couldn't able to speak in English in an effective manner. So the problem, I can understand easily English. This is the most common problem which is among all the students, that they can understand English language, as and when a person is speaking English language, they can understand English language, but when it comes to put thing across in an effective manner, they fail. So this is the most common problem, that how did I avoid this problem. So I'm going to share with you. The first thing, grammar plays pivotal role in your speaking skills. If you have good grasp over the grammar, then you can feel comfortable. If you are feeling comfortable with grammar, then you can create sentences in a fraction of a second that will help you. So I started burning up on my grammar until I feel comfortable with grammar, and I revised all the topics probably 20 to 25 times. I revised all the grammar topics. After that, vocabulary and phrasal verbs has a significant role in your speaking skills. As you all know, that if you have knowledge in abundance, I'm not saying you that you should possess a comprehensive knowledge of English grammar, but at least you have good vocabulary that will help you a lot. Then I started resorting to various platforms like YouTube and social media platforms. As and when I come across with a good word, amazing word, then I try to jot down in my notebook. And also, you know that advent of the technology, it has become increasingly easy to get to know about new things, but the most imperative thing, that you must be desirous of learning something new, keen to learn something new. After that, when I had knowledge in abundance, when I had good vocabulary, but there was a problem again, that how can I remember, how can I recall these words for a long time. That there was a problem, that I was forgetting all those words. There was something which was making me forget all the words in a very certain time, that I was not repeating those words in a day-to-day life. That was a problem. Then I enrolled in an advanced spoken English course of Titanium. It was about 45 days, where I met Arvind sir, and he told me about various things. There was an activity which I found the most amazing, like a free writing activity. In this activity, what you have to do, that will also I would like to let you know after that. But I met Arvind sir, and I was involved in lots of time, and also sometimes I got eulogized by him. So that was amazing. 1.5 months, 45 days. And the activity which is free writing, which is called free writing, what you have to do in this activity, that you have to choose 4 or 5 words, new words. Every day you have to choose 4 or 5 words. Then you have to create a paragraph, then you have to create a story with the help of those 4 or 5 words. So in this way, you are going to have a good grasp over your vocabulary, and also you will remember these words for a long time. In a long time, you will remember those. Once those words has printed in your subconscious mind, then you won't forget those words in a long term. So you have to do this activity. This activity can be repeated in 2 to 3 times in a day. If you have spare time in a day, then also you can repeat this activity 2 to 3 times in a day. Okay, now last but not the least, what you have to do, you have to engross completely yourself in a cognitive environment of English language. Like you can indulge in many activities which is conducted by the Titanium, like group discussion, presentation, and debate competitions. So you can indulge in various activities where new ideas, new points, something new will emerge with the group discussion, debate, and each and every activity. So you need to indulge yourself in various activities that will help you a lot. And also, like you can watch English movies, listen English music, and also you can develop a habit of reading novels. Like however you want to indulge yourself in English environment, you have to indulge the all in on the whole. You have to indulge in an English environment that will help you. You know, as and when we embark on something new, like we do each and everything with a great enthusiasm, but as we do with the passage of time, our enthusiasm started waning down. So you don't let your enthusiasm started waning down. I urge you to work hard, keep it working hard, keep burning up on your speaking skills. That will help you that will help you to create your own identity, that will help you to stand apart from the crowd. This is the way I improved my speaking skills at Titanium. And also I would like to add on one thing, that you can use various platforms, online applications where you can improve your fluency, like Josh Skill. I used an application for at least 4 to 5 months. I used an application, Josh Skill, where I practiced a lot. So you can enroll at very cheaper price. You can enroll in that course as well. And in the end, like a tribute to Titanium, Mukesh sir, who helped me throughout this 1 year. I'm eternally grateful to Mukesh sir and Titanium staff, Vinita, that who helped me a lot. And by the end of this video, guys, if you like this video, if you like my hard work, then please hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. That will also new videos, if Titanium will upload, then you will get to know about new videos. So, and also if you have suggestion, any advice, that you can let us know in the comment section, that I will put into my suggestion. I will act on the advice of you guys. So if you have new suggestion, any idea, then you can also let us know. Thank you so much once again.